In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can go full-time with YouTube with 4 simple steps. I was able to do it in 2 years with just one YouTube channel. We'll get to that here in a second. I was able to replace a 6-figure income that used to support my family 100%. So if I can do it, so can you. The first thing and one of the most important things is that you need to treat YouTube like a real job. This is exactly what I did while working a 50-60 hour per week full-time job, not a hobby. If you kind of do YouTube, you will kind of get results. And if you want faster results, you will be more motivated when you start seeing growth, and you're going to have more income. Treat it like a job, not a hobby. The second thing that I did to become a full-time YouTuber in less than 2 years actually is I became the master of something and the go-to person in a particular space. And that is this YouTube channel right here, currently at 439,000 subscribers. I looked at my space and I saw all the people doing cleaning related content. And I thought to myself, how could I do it better? How could I do it different? And how could I do it for a different target market? Have that mindset in the beginning that you are going to become the master of something, the go-to person in that space. Now, as you can see here on the right hand of the screen, I have several YouTube channels. Several of them are tester channels. 3 of them are monetized. I did not start second YouTube channels until I had financial success with this one channel right here. So focus your attention in the beginning. And by the way, my cleaning hack channel is a faceless YouTube channel. I have 4 videos right here in this playlist that's going to give you ideas of other faceless YouTube channels if you are interested in that. The number 3 thing that you need to do in order to become a full-time YouTuber is to be consistent, especially in the beginning, because I know it can be slow. Keep showing up. It kind of feels like you are moving a boulder up a hill. This fitness channel right here, Elite Fit with Andrea, is my current endeavor, and growth is slow. You can see right here 100 views, 141 views, 159 views. You can see I'm also daily uploading. Why? Because I want to grow this channel faster, but I need to be patient. I need to be consistent, and the same goes for you. Now, do you need to daily upload? Absolutely not, but I am not the most patient person, so this definitely helps me. Also, I get to learn with each new video that I create, more opportunities for learning in this fitness space. And the last thing that you need to do is figure out exactly how much money do you need to make in order to quit your current job. You need to get specific and write down that number. I knew that I needed to replace a $120,000 salary per month, plus benefits, plus retirement, plus all the things. But I knew exactly what I needed to do. Don't just say, oh, someday, somehow, some way. Know your number. If you want to learn specific ways that you can make money with your YouTube channel, what I want you to do is go to this channel right here, click on this magnifying glass, and I want you to type in the word PAIDS, P-A-I-D-S. By the way, if you're looking to find anything about YouTube on this channel, this is a great way that you can look for that and see if I've made a video. And if I have not, let me know in that comments box, and I will definitely help you out. My goal is to help you succeed. This video right here will give you specific ideas about how to earn income with your YouTube channel. In addition, this video right here on my channel trailer is how I did this with 4 kids in tow. If I can do this, you absolutely can do this. Please do not lose hope. I'm here to support you. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.